Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to review Power Rangers Cosmic Fury Season 1 Episode 1, which has been titled Lightning Strikes. So this episode was mostly based on planet Zordnia, where we see Dino Furies and Morphin Masters fighting an army of Bajillia Nair. Zed has escaped and Bajillia is seen promising to serve him with all her assets, as she is the CEO of Squid Inc. And also recalls how she killed 40 scientists to get him out. And then we see Billy Cranston, the mighty Morphin Power Ranger. Amelia and Mick are also seen catching up, where Amelia reveals how she is a Rafconian and she will better show him what happened. About how White King and Queen were actually her parents, corrupted by Spawmic's energy. And then she revealed how Zato sacrificed himself and the Zords to save everyone, so they are Zordless now at the moment. And yes, Zato has returned with a mission of Morphin Masters. Bajillia is seen making an infinite army with her Squidrill. They are also seen trying to fight Zed, but he seems to be too strong. But then Dewdrip spills some poison and turns Ollie evil. The next thing we see is Zato was kicked in a cosmic gateway. Master Red was also seen turning Mick into Ninja Steel's Red Ranger, so Mick finally got morphed. But then, all Masters were captivated by the Master Captivator. They all scrammed to Altar of Zordnia, which contains the Cosmic Fury Zords. It was too risky for a human to access them. But then Zed attacked again, and Harvey decided to access the Zords before the altar was destroyed. But in doing so, he lost his arm because of the lightning. Billy led all of them and they Zorded up and scared all of them off, while getting Ollie too. It was really a great episode, and the Dino Morphs were actually really cool. Not to mention Billy's classic. They got back on Earth and they are now preparing for a possible invasion and taking it as a challenge, as they have a great journey ahead. So guys, stay tuned for further more updates, and if you guys enjoyed, please like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.